The energy crisis is not a distant threat. It's a present reality. Businesses are losing millions, and entire industries are crumbling under inefficiency, instability, and rising energy costs. In this chaos, survival isn't guaranteed. Lumesys is your lifeline in this turbulent landscape. With cutting-edge AI, Lumesys transforms chaos into opportunities. It doesn't just manage energy, it reinvents how your business operates, ensuring you stay ahead. We offer you optimized energy efficiency, significant cost savings, and position you as a leader in sustainability. Our advanced AI provides monitoring and control, ensuring enhanced reliability. Real-time data tracking and reporting, with comprehensive support and energy trading capabilities, Lumesys is future-proof technology that scales with your business. It's not for everyone. It's for the visionaries, the disruptors, the leaders who refuse to settle for mediocrity. The future demands visionaries. With Lumesys, you're not just keeping up, you're redefining what's possible. The question isn't whether you'll adopt Lumesys, it's whether your business will survive without it. The future isn't waiting, and neither should you. Visit golumesys.com. Powering efficiency, leading sustainability.